hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something Evil Twin. So if you like the types of videos where I unbox authentic Evil Twin items like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, I compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. And if you want to see styling, clothes, and whatnot, then please subscribe to my new channel, Heart Style Fashionista. Okay, let's get started. What did I purchase? Here it is, in a box. Okay, let's do this one by one. Let's start with Chanel. I purchased this item to match an outfit I purchased. So, this bag, really cute. And it's basically this adorable, like sack bag. I call it sack bag. There it is. The double C's, and also in the back. I'll peel this off. Back and the front. To reveal this nice, shiny double CC's. There you go. Super shiny. And it's just basically all camellia flower, but it definitely matches my cute outfit. Inside is like of a hot pink color. There is the tag. And it includes this cute, oh, it's attached, a little travel card thing. I think this is the cruise line. And here's all the authenticity. You hear peppermint. Gotta open the door. Come on, kitten. And it's like leather. And there's double C's here. And of course, it's nice. This seller is amazing. And it's really pretty. It has Chanel inside here. See if you can see that. Right there. And it's just one big hole. And it's leather piece here too, as well. Wow, it's really sturdy. It's a pretty sturdy bag. And that's pretty much it. There's no pockets. Oh, the authenticity sticker is there. There's a tag. And here's Peppermint. Here was Peppo-Mint Cutie. And I believe she fits in this bag. She fits in this bag very perfectly. See? So that's the bag. Peppermint fits in this bag. I probably could take her around in it, but it locks like this. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty, very cute, not the traditional, oh my god, Peppermint's hair is all over the place. Not the traditional, like, Chanel bag that you're used to, but it's cute just to take it around, and really, I bought it to match my outfit. Actually, it's really pretty. I mean, in person, I was like, oh, it's cute. I'll just buy it to match my outfit, but it's really cute. It's a nice little satchel type bag. Next up, should we start with this? We're gonna start with this. Here is the box in beautiful condition. Wow. Amazing. I've been wanting this bag for a while. I just never executed on it because I get distracted and purchase other things. And here's the box. I'm not late to the game. I don't know. I feel like saddlebags are a classic. I have some saddlebags, but not like one of the traditional ones. And this is kind of traditional, but it is not the color you're thinking. This box was really hard to open. Here it is. It is the saddle bag in gray oblique. And here is the authenticity stuff. It's the card, the booklet. And here is the dust bag. Let's just get to the bag. Excited. Now here it is. Oh my goodness. There's a D for Dior. Let's just take the plastic off. Oh, so gorgeous. And it has a tag. And I love, wow, the embroidery is really pretty, folks. Like, I don't know if it's picking that up, but there's like this light gray that you don't see. Can you see that? It's like really hints of white or really light gray that kind of accentuates the pattern. And let's just remove this. And some Evil Twins, this covers the Christian Dior, and I'm so happy that this does not. Just see that. It's really beautiful. And peppermint does not fit in this bag, and it's a very strong magnetic closure. And then the back. Wow, this is so pretty. Now I know why ladies purchase this bag. A lot of ladies like to purchase this bag in the like navy blue, or it looks kind of blackish sometimes, but I didn't want to get that one. Kind of gives, for me, like the dark blue or the navy dark blue or the black. Black and navy dark blue gives me those like dingy vibes. I don't know why, it just looks kind of dingy. Anyway, so here it goes. Plastics. There's the CD. The gold looks amazing. Wow. I haven't purchased from the seller for such a long time, and I don't know why I forgot to, but here is the CDs. I love that the plastics are like easy to remove. That's looking amazing. It's the back of it. Here it is. Not graceful at doing that. Amazing, right? It's kind of scary how nice these are. So cute. And if you open her up, let's just take this out. And there is the Christian Dior logo. And there's the code. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's one more item. Let's just put her on my shoulder while we look at the other item. It's actually really comfortable. Like, I don't even feel it. And like, I don't feel it on my shoulder. That's probably why everyone likes this one. Like, next up, I had to do it. I purchased these boxes are really hard to open. The strap, oops, almost came out. It includes more authenticity paperwork. Here is the card. This one has like little, oh no, I'm just tripping. The card. This bag. Peppermint. Oh my gosh, she's so loud. Anyway, here is the strap. Oh my god. Okay, let's open this one up. it is. So cute. This is the guitar strap. And this has to go diagonal. If not, then you just don't wear it. Well, I mean, if you don't care, wear it. But a lot of you do care about like how it looks and if it's authentic looking and not. But this one is freaking beautiful. Peppermint's crying. She wants the office to be opened. I will not open it because husband is in a meeting. Peppermint! And here it is. It's Dior. It's very, very sturdy. And it's not adjustable, but that's pretty much it. And see if it matches the obliqueness. Oh, wait. And it does match. So, Peppermint! Oh, she's so sad. Peppermint! And then this way. There it is. So you can wear it like this. It's a guitar strap. You can wear a crossbody. You can straighten out this thing. I know people complain about how this is just hanging loose. For height reference, I'm 5'4", and this is how the guitar strap fits. This is how it looks. It's the bag. Now, if you don't want to wear it crossbody, I mean, I think it's okay enough to wear like this too. And of course, you can wear it just like that. Anyway, everybody, I am in love with my bags. I'm super excited about wearing them this summer. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.